Hit that girl in the back right there. That one right there. She looks scrumpy. All right, today we're gonna bring an AR system, and this is a kids game system. All right, this is gonna be more interactive with them. It's gonna free hand play games. It comes with a manual. It comes 2 controllers because there's multiple games that's gonna require the controllers, sideways or forward depending on the game. All right, they give you 2 of them, like I said, and then they also give you the console. And the console, it's just a plug and play. You do have to calibrate it because it does use actually a camera. It has to be standing up straight up. If you guys can see that, you could manually move it left or right by the knob, the camera. You see that camera going up and down. That's how you control the camera. Now, this could be based down too or up. Either way, so it doesn't matter. And in the back is the most important thing. In the back is where you're actually gonna play the type C to actually power the system up, and then your HDMI. That's pretty much it. Power off and on, and you're ready to go. All the games are built into the system, including they give you the cable and everything else. So we're gonna put it together and have some fun with some kids. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, a little feedback right now before we start. This thing cannot go downside. It has to go sideways, all right? So you're gonna have to manually move it sideways so it could recognize the people. 2 of the AAA batteries, all right? So we're gonna set it up right now. Do it fast. You can do it fast. Like that. There you go. There you go. There you go. Get, go, go, go.
Come on, hit the watermelon.
Hit it. Move your hand left and right. Left and right. Left. Do like this. Chop. Karate chop. There you go. There you go. There you go. You're losing.
What?
0 to 5.
I thought I was winning.
No. You're too close. That's why. There you go.
Oh!
There you go. See, yeah, like that.
It's good exercises.
So you have to go like this.
Kind of like Flappy Bird.
Go. Oh, yeah. You gotta be careful.
You gotta move your head, gummies underneath. Yeah,
There you go. Get the start.
It goes to your head.
Your head. Yeah, you go. Go down.
Oh, you have to press B, not A. My bad.
B? Okay. Like you said.